Have you ever wondered how some people manage to travel the world on a budget? What if we told you that you can do it too? Welcome to the intriguing realm of travel hacking, a strategy that savvy globetrotters use to explore the world without breaking the bank. Travel hacking is an art. It's a game of strategy where you leverage reward programs, credit card bonuses, and savvy planning to earn free or discounted travel. It sounds too good to be true, right? But with a bit of knowledge and effort, anyone can become a travel hacker. Over the next few minutes, we're going to unravel the secrets of travel hacking. We'll explore what it really means, how to understand its many facets, how to earn and redeem points and miles, and most importantly, how to make it work for you. So, buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of travel hacking. Travel hacking, contrary to its name, involves no illegal activities. It's simply a strategy to travel cheaply or even for free. Now let's dive a little deeper to understand what travel hacking really entails. At its core, travel hacking is all about making the most of the systems put in place by airlines, hotels, and credit card companies. It's like a game where the goal is to gather as many points or miles as possible and then use these to fund your travels. One of the primary ways to do this is by leveraging rewards programs. These programs are offered by airlines, hotels, and credit cards. They reward you with points or miles for each dollar you spend. And these points and miles? They're like golden tickets that can be redeemed for free or discounted flights, hotel stays, car rentals, and more. Next up, credit card bonuses. Many credit card companies offer substantial sign-up bonuses. These bonuses can range from 10,000 to 100,000 points or more. All you need to do is meet a certain spending threshold within a specified time frame, and voila! You've got yourself a free ticket to anywhere in the world. But wait, there's more. Travel hacking also involves taking advantage of other promotions. Sometimes airlines or hotels will run special promotions where you can earn extra points or miles. For instance, you might get double points for booking during a certain period or bonus miles for flying a specific route. Of course, travel hacking isn't about spending money you don't have. It's about strategically planning your expenses so you can earn as many points and miles as possible. It's about being smart with your money and making it work harder for you. So in a nutshell, travel hacking is about playing the game. It's about understanding the rules, making strategic moves, and reaping the rewards. It's about turning everyday expenses into extraordinary experiences. Now that we understand what travel hacking is, let's explore how you can become a travel hacker. The first step to becoming a travel hacker is to familiarize yourself with travel rewards programs. Now, this might seem like a no-brainer, but it's more than just signing up for a program. It involves understanding the nitty-gritty of different programs and finding one that aligns with your travel goals. Travel rewards programs are a fantastic way to save money. They offer points or miles for your purchases, which can be redeemed for travel. Whether it's flights, hotels, or even car rentals, these points can significantly cut down your expenses. But here's the catch: not all rewards programs are created equal. Some offer more value for your points, while others might have more flexibility in terms of redemption. So, where do you start? Begin by evaluating your travel habits. Are you a frequent flyer or a road trip enthusiast? Do you prefer luxury hotels or budget accommodations? Your answers will guide you towards the right rewards program. Next, it's time to dig deep into the details of each program. Look at the earning rates, redemption options, and any potential restrictions. Remember, the devil is in the detail. A program might offer a high earning rate, but if their points expire quickly or can't be used when you want, it's not worth it. Once you've chosen the right rewards program, you're ready for the next step. With your chosen rewards program in hand, it's time to start earning points and miles. First, let's talk about credit card bonuses. Many travel rewards credit cards offer hefty sign-up bonuses. All you need to do is meet the minimum spending requirement within a certain time frame and voila! A massive chunk of points or miles land in your account. But remember, the key is not to spend more than you usually would just to meet these requirements. Now let's move on to everyday spending. This is where you can really maximize your earnings. Use your travel rewards credit card for regular purchases like groceries, gas, and dining out. Most cards offer at least 1 point per dollar spent, and often more for certain categories. To make things even easier, set up automatic payments for your recurring bills. This way, you're earning points and miles while you sleep. But what about those one-off expenses? Well, they can be a goldmine for points and miles too. Big-ticket items like electronics, furniture, or even a new car can bring in a serious haul of rewards. Just make sure to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Finally, let's not forget about special promotions. Many rewards programs run seasonal or limited-time offers, where you can earn extra points or miles. This could be anything from double points on dining during the holiday season to bonus miles for booking a specific hotel. Keep an eye on your email and the rewards program website for these opportunities. Oh, and one more thing. If you travel for work, make sure your business expenses are charged to your rewards card. It's a simple way to boost your balance without spending a dime of your own money. So, there you have it. Several strategies to help you earn points and miles, all while going about your normal routine. No extra spending, just extra rewards. Remember, the goal is to accumulate as many points and miles as possible without spending extra money. Now comes the fun part, redeeming your hard-earned points and miles for travel. So, you've been diligent about earning those points and miles, but how do you go about getting the most bang for your buck? Or should we say, most flight for your point? It all comes down to finding those sweet spots, the secret sauce to maximizing your travel rewards. Here's the thing, not all redemptions are created equal. Sure, you could use those points for that short domestic flight, but with a bit more strategy, you could be sipping champagne in first class on a long-haul flight instead. Sweet spots are those hidden gems where the value of your points and miles skyrockets. But how do you find these sweet spots? Well, it takes a bit of research. Start by understanding the award charts of your travel rewards program. These charts outline how many points or miles you'll need for a particular route. Look for routes where the points required is low, but the cash price is high. That's your sweet spot. Also consider transferring your points to partner airlines. Often these partners will have different award charts, and you might find a sweet spot that your original program didn't offer. Remember, flexibility is key. Being open to different destinations and travel dates can open up a world of sweet spots for you. With some planning and strategy, your points and miles can take you farther than you ever imagined. So let's recap what we've learned about travel hacking. Travel hacking is not just about earning free trips or upgrading your travel experience. It's a lifestyle, a mindset, a strategic way of turning your wanderlust into reality. It's the art of stretching your travel budget to its maximum potential, and the science of leveraging travel rewards programs to your advantage. We started with understanding travel hacking. It's a way to smartly use the system of rewards, points, and miles offered by airlines, hotels, and credit cards. It's not about breaking the rules, but playing within them to get the most out of your travels. Then we moved on to the first step, researching travel rewards programs. We understood that every program has its unique set of rules, perks, and nuances. It's crucial to invest time in researching these programs, understanding their structure, and identifying the ones that align with your travel plans and spending habits. Following that, we delved into the second step, earning points and miles. We discovered that it's not just about flying or staying in hotels. Credit cards, shopping portals, dining programs, and even surveys can help you rack up points and miles. The key here is to remain mindful of your spending and always look for opportunities to earn more rewards. Our journey led us to the third step, redeeming points and miles. This is where the magic happens. We learned that redeeming is an art in itself. It's about finding the sweet spots, the best deals, and maximizing the value of your hard-earned points and miles. It's not just about getting free flights or hotel stays, but about elevating your entire travel experience. Travel hacking is an art and a science, and with these steps, you're well on your way to mastering it. It's a journey of exploration, of learning, of constantly evolving your strategies. It's about turning every trip into an adventure, every journey into a story. And that, my fellow travel enthusiasts, is the essence of travel hacking. It's not just a hobby, it's a way of life. So, gear up, start your research, earn those points, and get ready to embark on your next adventure. Travel hacking is an art and a science, and with these steps, you're well on your way to mastering it. Happy travels.